My name is Scott Ambler. I'm one of the creators and founders of the Discipline Agile framework. Cutter has invited me to come to Mexico City on November 7th through 9th to deliver the Discipline Agile Experience, a certification prep workshop. A valid question that you're probably asking yourselves is, well, what am I going to learn in this workshop? It's a 3-day workshop where we basically talk about how does Agile software development, or more importantly, Agile solution delivery, work in enterprise class settings such as your own. How do we tailor the approach to meet the unique needs of your team in your situation? And more importantly, how does this Agile stuff work from beginning to end? So how do we successfully start an Agile project or an Agile team? How do we successfully go through construction? And of course, how do we successfully release into production? And how do we do it in a streamlined manner? So fundamental questions that we'll be answering throughout this workshop. How does architecture fit in? Because it does. How do we do testing all the way through? So how do we push it left in the life cycle? How do we do planning and analysis and design and programming? How do all these things fit together and in a streamlined manner that reflects the unique needs of the situation that your team faces? Because every team is different, every organization is different. So you need options. So the Discipline Agile framework is not a purist approach. It's pragmatic. So we give you the solutions and the choices that you need to actually do software development successfully. And we even address not so sexy topics like governance. So how can we successfully govern these teams? How can senior management help our teams to succeed? So some basic fundamental things that I'm sure your organizations are struggling with, and probably a lot of the things that perhaps your Scrum coaches aren't telling you how to address because that's not part of Scrum. Well, you know what? It is part of Discipline Agile delivery. And that's what we're going to be spending 3 days on. So I hope to see you there. I love going to Mexico City. It's a great city in a great country. I always have a great time, and I'm looking forward to going. So anyways, I hope you can attend the workshop. This is a phenomenal experience and is a very good opportunity for anybody who's serious about doing Agile software development. Thank you very much for your time. Hope to see you there. Once again, November 7th through 9th in Mexico City. Thank you.